guys, thanks for stopping by Pete's Garage. Well, let's get the top end of our 440 put together so we can get it ready to run. Alright, time to put in 7 quarts of our pen grade partial synthetic motor oil 10W40 and turn our oil pump over to see if we can start getting oil out of our cylinder heads and in our valley with the rod turning the oil pump. Pushrods we'll be using are a Liberty product, Liberty Performance, part number LPR 3-80-80-80-8. These are 4130 chromoly 80 thousandths tubing push rods. And we're also saving money by going with a stainless steel rocker arm, adjustable rocker arm assembly for this. This is a Speedmaster set. The number is PCE 261-1087. Water neck is from 440 source. Part number is 121-1017. All right, this is a quick fuel. Hot rod 750 CFM carb. This is my Pro Series distributor. This is part number JM7714BK. Well, there you have it. It's all assembled and it's ready to roll. Now all we have to do is take it over to dyno and see how it performs. Now if you haven't already, please click on the subscribe button so you can stay up on all the cool projects I do here. Thanks for stopping by Pete's Garage.